stand, a king reclaimed his land. The king hunted, his allies felled, his army broken, his kingdom held by a foreign hand, by Pembroke's blade. At Methven's field his hope wayfrayed. He came here, ta'e this ancient stone, a fugitive king, but nay alone. The hill rose up like a shield o'er the earth. This was the day of Scotland's rebirth. The drums grew loud, the ground shook raw, De Valence rode. He did nae foresee what he saw. He rose frae the dark, ta'e take it all back. At Loudoun Hill he made his stand, a king reclaimed his land. Bruce chose his ground, the Bogle and held the cavalry doon. Spears ta'e the sky, nae mercy, nae yield. The first great victory won in the field. He rose frae the dark, ta'e take it all back. At Loudoun Hill he made his stand, a king reclaimed his land.